Ito na, nag-iba na ng bola. Ito, bagong pasok. Marcelia.
Marcelia. And Coach Gilbert.
Ang ganda naman ng backdoor na yun.
What a
ganda,
layup.
Enzo.
Ray Marcelia. So ata back-to-back triple-double. Yan yung napakagandang pasa niya. To Marcelia, ang ating lakas play of the quarter. Brought to you by J Project Clothing Shop.
Maganda ang ginagawa ni Coach Gilbert. Sana ma-maintain nila yan. Marcelia. Hindi. Fontillas.
Oo, Fontillas. Pero ito, Marcelia with the layup plus a foul. And here, the Santa Rosa Sports Complex cheer for their team.
Ang galing. Nagkaroon ng chance si Marcelias.
Natin ang ating lakas drive of the quarter brought to you by Converge Fiber X. Experience better with Converge. And kanina si Marcelia, no, tanggap ng magagandang pasa. Kanina kay Coach Gilbert, ngayon naman kay Edmond Fontillas.
Yes, nagbibigayan sila. Ina, maulit pa ba? Oh,
good defense.
yun na nga.
Galing dito kay Marcelia.
Nakita. Ang ganda naman ng paso na yun, Enzo.
Pasa.
Nadulas
Natapik
yung
ulit.
bola.
Counter steal na naman.
Fontillas. Yun.
Abot. Acuna.
Nice.
Marcelia. Lumalabanan.
Galing.
Easy.
Iva. Fontillas, ang ganda naman ng pasa na yun, Enzo.
And ang ganda din ang finish ni Marcelia.
Sila na naman. Di ba? Dalawa na. Ayun na.
Gilbert. Trying to take this all the way. Beautiful pass.
Wow.
Pang-limang assist si Coach Gilbert Malabanan in the first half.
Grabe yun.
Tingnan natin ulit dito. Look at that. Coach Gilbert Malabanan. No-look bullet pass to Ray Marcelia. Marcelia na naman. Another layup na naman.
Pinabibilib ako nitong Marcelia na to. Kung titingnan mo siya, parang hindi siya ganun eh. Pero kaya niyang gawin kung ano yung kailangan sa team.
You said, as we can see the leading scores. Para naman dito sa panig ng Santa Rosa Saints, Marcelia with 9 points.
Veterano ka sa... ganda
Bakbakan. Dalawang ex-PBA players. Pero hook shot right there is good.
Gugulat siya pag sobrang lapit.
As Hawkins misfires.
Ang ganda ng rebound.
And a putback is good para dito kay Ray Marcelia.
Ang ganda ng rebound. Doon nakita niya kumanan. Pinunta niya sa kaliwa. Ayun, foul counter.
And Coach Richie, third personal foul niya, and kahit siya in disbelief na naisahan siya dito ni Ray Marcelia. Ang ating lakas move of the quarter brought to you by Photon. Say it with your chest, Ray Marcelia.
Iba yung Marcelia. Iba yung kumpiyansa.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong serbisyo sa pagprotekta sa ating bansa.
Yes.
Good pass and Desiganyo. Kaloy luluwa.
Ayun na naman siya.
Kailangan
kayo sa loob, Enzo eh. Siya yung nagpapacilitate eh. Ayun na nga.
Richie.
Okay na.
8 seconds to shoot. Melencio. Turns it over. Hawkins against Arboleda. Hawkins puts it up and in.
Enzo.
Tignan natin dito. Yun yung steal ni Marcelia. And ito yung layup ni Ronald Hawkins high off the glass.
Wow.
May pagtitig pa kay Arboleda.
Tingnan pa.
Grabe yung Texas na yun para makuha mo yung layup na yun.
Play for Mendoza. Let's see his
Grabe, no? Nice pace.
Nice pass.
Extra pass. And nice shot for Marcelia. As Ray Marcela able to sink that. Ipas dito sa second quarter, ganun na si Ronel Manguiat. So, kayang-kaya yung play na yun. And we have a timeout break as IGT Warriors are now up by 5 points.
Pa rin ng mas magandang percentage, lalo na sa 3-point arc. And yun naman yung pinoprovide nito ni Ronel Manguiat for their squad. His hot shooting continuing to this ball game.
Pinakailangan i-adjust dito ng Santa Rosa Lions Saints. And 14 seconds on the shot clock here for Santa Rosa Lions Saints. Sergio will inbound. Pass it. Comes Ronald. He'll shoot a 3 again. Another miss. But look at that. Soaring high to sink that one in. Follow-up shot for Ray Marcela.
Yes. Not traveling.
Yes, as we take a look at this replay right here. Our lakas grab of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Sun Sports Philippines. The official basketball of Sinag Liga Asia. Ray Marcela. Soaring high to get that. We're grabbing boards like fine wine ages.
And struggling pa itong si Ronald Hawkins. But good good play there by one of the smallest guys dito for Santa Rosa, si Marcela. And speaking of small guys, ito naman big man, inside attack, pero hindi na-convert doon ni Mendoza.
Nice shot.
This is your 2023 Sinag Liga Asia Lakas 40.
Talagang ang laki ng space na kinakain niya. That's why yung mga teammate niya doon nakakakuha ng mga offensive rebounds.
Dalawa no? Alam mo gisagid, 5 white shirts. As Hawkins misfires from the outside.
That's his first attempt dito para kay Ronald Hawkins. Pero once na makaisa yan, kilala natin yan.
Silinit natin ni Mike Tanyegro ng Otspacho as a reverse layup. Oh! Deseganyo na triple header as that is our game at hand. The Santa Rosa Lion Saints contra the GDL Construction. I would love to see a matchup between Gilbert Deseganyo at saka yung Kerubin ng Taytay J Project. Tataas tumalun. And the energy, di ba? I would love to see that matchup soon. Malay natin because of the crossover format ng quarterfinals natin. Malay natin, di ba? But Deseganyo with a steal. Gilbert. Oh, good pass and an easy layup para kay Ray Marcela.
Yes, again, kanilang backward.
Camero.
Yes, and well-deserved rest naman talaga. Grabe, binigay niya yata lahat dun eh. Kaya gusto niya magtira. Almost a bad pass.
Yes. But, what an escape move right there by Ray Marcela.
Yes, grabe ko si Ray Marcela ha. And Santa Rosa Lion. Ito naman, syempre, si Deseganyo, another great drop pass dito. Kita mo yung
And
great
look at that.
deflection from behind dito para kay Ervin Baksan.
Lavides. Natakot kay Coach
Yes.
Gilbert Balabanan and Super Maggie with 13 first.
Player ng Santa Rosa dati sa Laguna.
Actually, tama ka. Yung sinasabi mo, the Intano brothers, si Botchok, and then si Tracy Intano. As, look at that shot right there for Ray Marcela.
Ako nung mga nasa Laguna pa ako eh.
Look at that. Anthony Cuevas.
Muscle up. Grabe. Sayang. Ang ganda na sana nung sequence na yun kung na-blank, in-lock niya lang.
Pero yun ang sinasabi ko. Anthony Cuevas, nakaka-score niya lang on the other end. Ni Anthony Cuevas. Inararo niya eh.
Yun ano mo, minama yung mama. Diba?
Magaling tong titong to. Pero eto, speaking of magaling, let's turn over muna to our courtside reporter, Sarah Turjuan, for second quarter report. Sarah?
Yes, Rowie and Lordy from Santa Rosa Lion Saints head coach Dave Gomez, ang gusto niya mangyari ay mag-focus sa fast break. And ang kanya
Ni Cuevas, there was may naririnig pa ako yung
Nachi-cheer
yung aso dito sa One Arena. Let's look at a wide open 3 again!
Na yan.
And at ngayon naman, imagine mo, dati pa yun, and ngayon, medyo kahit pa paano, kaya nakas 40 natin, hindi lang yun, pati yung mga PBA. The deadliest coaches dito sa Pilipinas, played for the JRU Bombers during his college days, and right now, he's been heading a lot of, or coaching a lot of basketball teams dito sa Pilipinas. Again,
Ganun pa man, etong Santa Rosa, medyo siguro pagod na, exhausted na. Puro outside na lang yung tinitira nila. Parang medyo nababago na yung mindset nitong Santa Rosa.
And again, another steal for Ray Marcela as Intano, Botchok. Gusto niya pa kumuha ng ball kay Alvin Del Ponso.
Gagamitan na experience eh.
Pero may experience rin ito si Alvin Del Ponso. Pinayaan niya lang si Bot. 3-point shot pa yun. Yun lang yung unang shot, unang pasok niya. And buzzer beater pa yung nangyari.
Grabe.
Pero may mga ganun, may mga secret weapon talaga.
Wow!
Sneaky layup for Ray Marcela in front of Braulio Lim.
Grabe, kilikili layup. Gala lang eh.
As Gilbert Malabanan gets that foul. And look at this, lakas move of the quarter. That's Suave. Layup dito for Ray Marcela in front of Braulio Lim. Brought to you by Photo, the official
time sa liga na to, 40 above. Yan, mga yan.
To JR Aquino kasi alam ni JR Aquino paano i-break yan. The pass inside, Olyanagi. Labas muna dito. Malabanan. Gilbert. Matchup. This is a mismatch. Malabanan kontra Jose.
Good pass.
Marcela muna, nilabas muna dito. Shot of 3. No good. Rebound by De Los Reyes.
Naubos na yung oras na nagkaroon pa ng offensive rebound. That's bad for AMB.
Marcella naman, fix it, goes inside. No, nice move there by Marcella. Para hindi makuha ni JR Aquino yun. The foul will be called on number 45. Marcella mananawagan doon.
Yeah.
It's as they have overtook this game 24-13 sa ating pagbabalik. Second quarter of action dito sa inyong Sinag Liga Lakas 40.
Hurt sila ng slow. So, again, knowing Santa Rosa Lion Saints, tinake advantage nila.
Quarters of this ball game. Now back to you, Coach Ernest and Alvin.
Sinasabi nga ni Penelope, hear the Lions roar, and it looks like they are roaring well here in the first half of play. Reymas Marcella.
Kailangan nila yun kasi medyo nagiging sloppy na yung offense nila eh.
De Los Reyes to Marcella. Right side.
Good fake.
Nice fake doon. Nandun dalawang defenders. Marcella pass. Free ball on the way. That's money. And Michael Tanyegra.
Yeah, that's easy back. Pagpalitan ka tapos malaki yung yung lead ng kalaban eh.
Inside, malaban. Oh, nice pass. Boyasi. Ganda ng pasahan no?
Oo. Basang-basang na nila. Yeah, this is gonna be another problem eh. Same problem na tulad sa last game natin eh. Kailangan able ka dumefend without fouling eh. Kasi ang hirap talaga once na maging 3 or 4 yung team fouls mo eh.
As we take a look at some of the fans here inside the One Arena, dalawang sunod na araw tayo dito. Bukas, nandito muli tayo for our...
This is the battle naman itong Malolos to show who they really are, why they were the number 2 seed team for bracket A.
As yung Katekista draws a foul, pumasok na sila together with Kennedy Marcella, his first personal foul. This time,
Para dito sa Malolos, dalawang players dito para sa Santa Rosa hindi bumaba. That's why nagkaroon ng open shot to si Kenneth Santiago.
as Gilbert Malabanan kicks it, Marcella.
Oh, good fake,
good take. Gets his own board and sinks it in for Ray Marcella, not giving up on that play.
On Coach Gilbert Malabanan.
Reyes misfires. Here comes Almeida. Almeida telling his entire team to go down. Passes it to Ray again. Ray fakes. Ray takes. Ray uses the board. The bag is open on a Tuesday evening for Ray Marcella.
Old school move, diba? The up fake, rip through, one dribble, off the glass baseline shot. Tim Duncan special.
Yes, big fundamental move, and there's gonna be a foul call inside.
Olagani.
Yes. As we take a look at this replay right here, look at that fake, sending the defender up in the air, and that's a wide open perimeter jumper. That was a thing of beauty right there for Ray Marcella. Even in his 40s.
Inside! And Ray Marcella. Number 23 from Laguna, Edward Salvador.
Pero ito, Coach Ernest, yung palitan nitong Tito Rex sa point guard, isa na facilitator ang papasok.
Yan ang mahirap for Santa Rosa Lion Saints. Luabad, a very efficient scorer, papalitan ng isang napakagaling na playmaker tulad ni Coach Kelmisa. It will open a lot of doors para sa Firewire Ayan, no?
Kita mo, libreng atake para kay Baarde. Dukot shot, couldn't go. And yung game 1 ng finals, he played 21.
Yes. Doon mo kasi makikita na talagang pag-final.
Hawkins dahil iba din daw talaga ang intensity at atmosphere na dala ng kanilang team captain. Pero paalala daw ni
Pen. First is the suspension ni Ronald Hawkins kasi nga na-eject siya. 2 technical fouls in game number 1. Tapos yung pangalawang point doon, yung mindset ni Super Mangi, di ba, na prepared siya na ibabato ng Tito Rex.
Alam niya na kasi yung gagawin niya.
Oo.
Pag in-open mo yan, naku po, lista mo na.
Grabe, di ba? Tapos may luabad ka pa, di ba? The 1-2
totoo.
guards na itong Tito Rex Firewire, but they're still down by 6. Malabanan underneath. Di nga lang pumasok.
Yun ang sinabi ko kanina. May pulyente na kasi ang Tito Rex.
Oo. At ito pa.
Diba?
Melvin
May
Arellano
Arellano ka pa. Medyo nakakailang talaga yun. Pero gaya nga na sinabi ko rin na kayang-kaya niyang gumawa ng paraan dahil bukod sa legend yan, galing Ginebra yan.
Totoo. And from a coach that faced Coach Gilbert Malabanan in the elimination round.
Yes, right.
Nararamdaman ba yung ganung numbers nung kinalaban niya kayo?
Oo, I mean technically, na-shutdown naman talaga namin siya eh. Pero yun nga, knowing Coach Gilbert, right?
Yun yung nawala sa kanila nung game number 1.
Yes, as you can see, tulad nga sinabi mo Enzo, yung effort nandyan. Kaya anong nakikita natin ngayon? Both teams, yan.
Diba? Marcelia.
Sasabihin ko pa lang, both teams talagang sobrang effort sa offensive rebounding. Tito Rex, si Barde producing offensive rebounds. Tapos si Manguiat, si Desengaño sa Santa Rosa naman.
A miss that time for Mopera. But look at that again, the effort of both teams.
Yes.
Arellano keeping it alive. Good tap by Manguiat, a steal by De Los Reyes. Here comes the Saints.
Hindi niya nakita yung teammate niya na mga takbo na.
Oo.
Yan pa naman ang game plan nila, takbuhan yung Tito Rex.
And ito, half-court set ng San.
Para ma-stop nila yung fast break play ng Tito Rex.
And last 6 points, Coach Ernest, ng Tito Rex Firewire ng game number 1 of
Ball, kailangan nilang hanapin yung mga smart plays nila, smart shot selections para hindi nawawala yung bola sa kanila.
Open na naman si Mopera doon. Buti na lang, di ba?
Oo. And
Yan ang
ito,
hinahanap ng Santa Rosa, yung fast break nila.
and Marcelia finishes the layup. Bawian para